Bro. First game for tonight, Bombers versus Ecoform. First possession, Ecoform versus Tokilaton. Bounce it back to Bostos all the way. The scores.
2 points.
Albete lifts it up. Picks up his own miss. Puts it back.
2 points.
5 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
First basket for Bob. Number 7 drops it off to number 9. Easy 2.
2 points.
For Bombers, number 8 has the ball. 2 versus 2. Number 7 almost travels, reverses it.
2 points.
Bostos turnaround shot. Wala. Big rebound by number 12 with a reverse. And it's good.
2 points.
Good hustle by number 8. Another possession. 3 for number 9.
3.
To the middle, Cañete. Takes, drives, lays it up.
2 points.
For the rebound, Mendoza. Passing it to Sicao.
2 points.
Another upper pass. Easy basket for Ecoform.
Upper pass.
8 seconds. May Gavida. Best one out.
Easy basket for Ecoform.
2 points.
Good ball. Lopez. 3.
3.
Oh, happy mo siya ito. Narari ay itagmahalon.
3.
Foul basket counts. Bonus free throw for Ponce.
2 points.
Pedrosa kicks it outside. Ponce for 3. Kaboom.
3.
And is that it? Behind the back pass. Kaligtan ka ba?
2 points.
La Gomez. The number 26. Rebound.
3.
Yes, one-hander. In and out. Number 26 with an offensive rebound. Reverse. Wide right. Outlet pass. Ponce. Easy 2.
2 points.
Number 9. In the middle. In traffic. Kicks it out. Number 24. 2 points.
2 points.
Strong. Number 26 with a rebound. Number 26 getting the block for Rosaleos. For 2.
2 points.
Rosaleos to number 26. Pipito reverse.
2 points.
Spins. To number 24. Hit away jumper.
2 points.
13 seconds to shoot. Back of lane. It's good for Villarreal.
2 points.
Shot clock winding down. Starts with 50, and it's a home run, easy basket. For number 7.
2 points.
Defense here displayed by Ecoform. Number 24, reverse. And there's a whistle.
2 points.
Exploding, kicking outside, Pilano. 3. 3 seconds. And first half.
2 points.
Sicao. Jumper, in and out, put back by Pedrosa.
2 points.
Rebound. Tokilaton takes a 3 to Pedrosa. Jumper. Another basket.
2 points.
Back to back basket. The pass number 9. Scores.
2 points.
Taking a 3. Pass ball for 3. Bang!
Three.
The number 6 drops it up to number 9. Jumper is good.
2 point. Three.
Lato, Ross Stars easy basket for Mendoza.
2 point.
Mendoza to Sicao. Drops it back to Mendoza. Timeout. Mendoza has the ball. To Kilaton, 3 ball, bang!
Three.
Back to play Ponce. Good looking shot there from Ponce outside. Kilaton left alone. Drops it to Castro.
2 points.
Outside, Kilaton left alone. Drops it to Castro.
2 points.
After pass, defense reverse. The defense is leaping. This is one. Castro outside. Kilaton. Got obey. Short. Good ball. Jumper. Yes, sir.
2 points.
Number 9, Eagle. Nice. Smooth move there by Eagle.
2 points.
Number 9, Eagle.
Wow, he lays it up. Out of the pass. Quick answer. Hey, that in.
2 points.
Quick answer. This has to go whistle. Alice to Lopez. Audio.
2 points.
Nagtiktok. He makes it through. Lost it. Number 7 lays it in.
2 points.
Jake Duck. That's the best. Jumpers. Yes, sir. And it's the golden.
2 points.
Grabe hustle. Villarreal behind the back dribble jumper.
2 points.
Bastos for 3.
Sicao con Bastos, another 3. Jumper. 2 points for number 4. Three.
Another possession for Emerald.
Another 3. Sicao. Tequilado. Tequilado. Ranger.